Ano po ba yung tamang numero ho ng security detail dapat ng ng Vice President? Kasi parang may variance po kasi. VP Lenny reportedly had only 75 and in the case of VP Sara naman, even after the 75 police escorts were removed, nasa 400 pa daw po. So, just your take po.
You're asking for my
Your assessment,
opinion.
boss. Yes po.
Being a former member of the uniformed service.
Yes, boss.
Yes. Securities or security personnel are provided because of their positions. Di po ba? And security personnel are also provided because of the threat assessment conducted by the authorities concerned. In the case of the Vice President, meron siya talagang official detail kailangan because of her position as the Vice President. Now, the number of the personnel which would be assigned to the Vice President would depend on the threat assessment conducted by the appropriate authorities. So kung yung threat assessment ay imminent, mas marami po ang security niya. Yun po. But if we compare yung security detail ni Vice President Robredo to Vice President Duterte, hindi ko po alam yung ano yung threat assessment na meron po silang dalawa.
So it's normal kung to have that kind of variance in number?
Kasi depende dun sa threat assessment niya eh. Whether malaki yung possibility na meron talang pagtatangka sa buhay niya. Ganon po yung aming sinusunod nung ako'y nasa serbisyo eh.